everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these Glam candle holders using dollar store items and more. Okay, for our first DIY, I have this glass vase here from the Dollar Tree. And I'll be using this cute candle holder I got from the Dollar Tree also. I think it's a new item. Doesn't it look super cute? And I'll be using some of this acrylic white paint to paint our candle holder and our vase. Now I'm just going to pour the paint inside the vase and have it run all over. You can paint the outside, you can paint the inside with a paintbrush. Any way you choose to paint your vase is perfectly fine. Okay, I set my vase to dry 24 hours and now it's all dry. So we're going to start to decorate it, which I'm going to be using some of this gold ribbon that I got from Amazon. And it comes with the self-adhesive on the back. So we're just going to place it going right around our vase.
If I didn't lie, you would be here now. And I respect that you didn't take that from me. Girl, you respect yourself.
Okay, that's all set. So now I'm going to use some of this gold mirror tile and add it to our vase. And they also have a self-adhesive on the back.
I just need you to understand just what I mean when I say I made a mistake.
Now it's time to add some of my favorite Glam chain in the gold color. And I'll be using some of this Gorilla Glue and placing it around our vase. Now for our little candle holder, I'm going to place some of our gold mirror tiles going around just the top part. And next I'm going to use some of our Gorilla Glue and glue our two pieces together. And here is our finished candle holder. I think it looks super cute. And as you can see, I styled it on my coffee table. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our gold candle DIY number 1. Now for DIY number 2, I have another vase, but it's the taller vase. I got this one at Dollarama, and again I'll be painting it with some white acrylic paint. Okay, here's our vase, all dry. Like I said, I dried them for 24 hours. Now I'll be adding some of this Glam bling sheet, which I cut some off. And they do have the self-adhesive on the back. So we're just placing them to the bottom part of our vase. And all the items I'm using will be listed down below in the description box, so you can go over and see where I got them from.
Beside me, you beside me. When I had you, I was okay. Even though when we go out, girl, I would with you like all day. Now I got a much different frame of mind.
Okay, so now I'll be adding some of this silver ribbon. The same, just like the gold, I got them from Amazon, but this one is the silver.
Change all love, 'cause now it's a different love. I'ma love it better, love. I'ma love it better, yeah. Now that I got you beside me, you beside me, girl, I got you beside me. I'ma love you better now. life I've been waiting for somebody like you. And now see that nobody like you. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane.
And now I'll be adding some of the silver Glam chain to using the using the Gorilla Glue to add it to our vase. When you cut your chain here, because the Gorilla Glue doesn't dry right away, you could just go over and straighten out your chain. Just make sure your decor is looking nice and neat. Just straighten up back your chain. And here is the finished look for our candle holder number 2. I like how it turned out, and as you can see, I added a little vase I had from before. I just added it to the bottom to give our candle holder a little rise. And I think it looks very nice with the little riser on the bottom. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. 2 lovely candle decor. I hope I've inspired you to do a lovely DIY for your home or as a gift for a loved one. Alright everyone, thanks so much for coming on and seeing my 2 DIYs I had to share with you today. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.